asked to repair this Tornado in works livery. The centre wheel has got a stripped gear on it. Bought a set of gears from Bachmann and sprayed it an appropriate grey. First job is to take the little screw out of the crank. This can then be lifted away. Next we're going to take the connecting rod off. Which will then allow the main coupling rods to be removed. Repeat for the other side. Next, we're going to take the 3 screws out. One here, and one at the front. This will allow this bottom keeper plate to be removed. You have to undo the screw at the very front here, as well as the 3 screws at the bottom of the keeper plate, and then the whole keeper plate lifts away, allowing you to remove this dodgy axle. The gear on the old axle is loose because it's cracked. So now we have to put the new axle into the chassis and then replace the keeper plate, making sure that these contacts go onto the back of the wheels nicely. With the keeper plate back on, it's time to screw the body screws back up. So we'll just give those a little bit of a tighten up. With the keeper plate on, it's quite easy then to put the coupling rod, the connecting rod, and then the little screw back in the hole. Once the screw's almost in, you need to check this is in a near vertical position and then twist that until it drops onto the slot that's underneath it, which helps it locate. It does actually locate and lock, and when you look at it, it'll be just below the center of the wheel. So there it is, back and complete, and the only tools I've used really are a very small flathead and a slightly larger crosshead, along with a pair of tweezers just to pull out a few screws. Time for a quick test run. So a nice slow crawl to start. Turning up the power. Look at that, lovely slow crawl. What about reverse? Same again, no problem at all. Looks like it's nicely fixed. Let's go for a little run. Don't forget to please like and subscribe.